Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Now that we have our new exhaust fan installed, it is time to vent it. You have to vent the fan to the outside of your house. If you just vent it up in the attic, you're going to collect mold and mildew. Yuck! You can either vent it out through the roof, out the side of your house, or out to the soffit. I prefer to find a gable wall to run the venting to because I don't like putting holes in a roof. You have to find out which size ducting you need. It will tell you on the exhaust fan box, but if you don't have that anymore, just measure the size of the opening. Then you will need to get the ducting of that size as well as a hole saw so you can drill the opening on the outside of the house. You want to measure how far away the exhaust fan is to the side of the house. You may have to get extra ducting and couplings to extend the venting. You can buy a whole venting kit, but it only comes with so much ducting. Now, it's time to cut the hole in the siding. You want to stay in the middle of the lines with your cut. We're going to silicone around the hole, but if you drill here, there is chance rain can get behind there and it just doesn't look as professional. After the hole is cut, you screw on the cover and silicone around it. Now you have to go back up in the attic and attach the ductwork to both the housing and vent cover. You can use this metal mechanics tape or zip ties to tighten down the ducting. After all the connections are tight, you are good to go. Subscribe for helpful videos just like this one and head over to thevirtualelectrician.com if you'd like advice and help from our team of master electricians.